Yo, man, it's your boy Sheeski here, man, back with another banger video. And today we're doing a late night POV, man. Finally got to doing one. I told y'all I was coming, man. It just took me a little time, bro. I had to get outside at night and everything like that. We're honestly finna take on the interstate, bro. So y'all finna see some interstate driving. Oh shit, I almost clapped that dude right there. Y'all didn't see that shit, but dude almost right there got clapped. Yeah, you gotta be careful, bro, trying to record and drive at the same time, bro. I say everybody do this shit responsibly, bro. Like you gotta have you a head strap to do this, bro. Cause like you can't just try to record and drive. Because listen, I got both my hands on the wheel, bro. I'm driving safe. we don't do not safe driving here, bro. Oh shit, I don't know what he doing. You see that dude right there? He tripping. That's the thing, bro. In the city I stay in, bro, people drive so retarded, bro. It's so insane, bro, how retarded people drive. Like, it's insane, bro. Popos out there too. Police over there. Popos out there. We on the interstate, boys. I'm finna get some gas when we get out here, bro. Yeah, this is a 2017 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus, bro. Like I said, it's a pretty nice car, bro. Regardless of it being like a V6, bro, it gets there. It's a pretty nice car. Like, I know y'all hear this sound, bro. Listen to this car, bro. Sounds insane. Ooh, listen to it. I don't know if that's police behind me, so I can't push it too hard because I don't know who behind me. That's the thing, like, because you don't want to push it, then it'd be the police. Then once the police see you, bro, you stop, bro. You gotta, I don't know, bro. I be trying to drive safe, bro. Like, I love cars, bro, and I love trying to push the cars to the limit, but I also like, you know, not going to jail or getting a ticket. So I be trying, man. I be trying to stay safe out here. I only pushed this car to 100 one time, bro. Like, I don't know. I like I said, I like cars, but I'm kind of advocate for safe driving, bro. I'm looking at it from the standpoint of, okay, what sense does it make for me to do that, you know? Like, what sense does it make for me to go 100 miles per hour all the time, knowing that the police can stop me for doing that, bro? Like, that's a reckless driving ticket out the ass. But yeah, like, let me know what y'all want to see with these POV videos, man. Y'all, like I said, do y'all want me to like do story times? Do y'all want me to, you know, give some game and stuff like that about life and all that, bro? Cause like I said, I got a lot of sauce, a lot of gems I can drop, man. Like right now, like I said, the main thing that's been on my mind is like not giving up. You know, I feel like in life we should never give up. We should just always keep trying to strive for something, like regardless of what it is. Because listen, if you keep working on the goal, you're closer to the finish line than if you stop. You see what I'm saying? If you stop, you never gonna reach the finish line. If you keep going, it's always the potential that you will reach the finish line if you keep on going. So that's how I look at it, bro. It's a lot of reasons that you shouldn't give up, bro. And I'm just being honest with y'all. Y'all shouldn't give up, man. I believe in all of y'all. Y'all got it. Like, y'all gonna make it in life, bro. We all are. Like I said, I'm gonna upgrade this car. I'm gonna get a Scat eventually. Hold on, you gotta slow down. See the curves right here, bro. We gotta go around these curves. Shit. Slow down. That's one thing about these Challengers, bro. You gotta slow down. Some people I don't know. Do y'all think Challengers got good traction, bro? I mean, shit, I could hit these corners going pretty fast, kinda, but I'm not sure. Like, you know, I haven't like just tried it. I ain't trying to crash my car or nothing like that. So I ain't really just tried to like do some crazy ass turns or some shit like that. Oh shit, we're on the interstate now, bro. We can get some gas now. Ain't nobody behind us. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my God. Bro, I wonder, like I said, this is a used car. I wonder what they put on this exhaust, bro, but it sounds nice. I don't think it's Challenger sound like this stock, bro, especially the V6. I need to put a cold air intake on this. It'll be even more badass. Like I said, it's a nice ass car. Yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying the POV, man. If y'all is, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It helps out a ton. Yeah, with these, bro, like I said, these are just fun videos to do. I think these are the most fun videos you can do, bro. Just get in the car and drive. Oh, y'all like these lights I put in here, bro? It's dope. It's dope. Yeah, I installed that myself. I kind of wanted to do the stars in the roof. Y'all let me know, should I do the stars in the roof, bro? But I might get people that say I'm doing too much, though, cause like it's a V6 car. Like, bro, like, why are you trying to put stars in the roof inside of a V6 car? Like, you know, you probably got some people that say that, but I mean, it is what it is, bro. Like, you know, I like the car, bro, so I'm gonna deck it out the way I want it to be decked out. Or I could buy one of the little, I ain't gonna lie, like, you know them the light projector things, they have those, like the Starlight projector. I could buy that and just use that, you know what I'm saying, to save money. Cause I ain't gonna lie, how much is a Starlight job? I feel like a Starlight job could be like $500 to $900. You gotta take the whole roof out. You gotta, you know, poke holes. And I seen it, like, it was a dude on YouTube. I gotta find his channel, but he did it himself. I was like, bro, everybody in the comments was saying, like, bro, you got so much patience to do this. I said, yeah, bro, like, for you to stick thumbtacks and all through this, he had to make like 1,000 holes or something like that and feed lights through them to get the Starlight roof. I said, man, yeah, you got a lot of time on your hands and you got a garage, bro. That's one thing I don't got. I don't got no garage, bro. I got an apartment, bro. I can't just sit there and take the roof out. If I take the roof out, I got to do it. Y'all don't know the struggle of trying to work on your car and you only got an apartment, bro. Like I said, you can only do something in a day. Like if it's a job that takes more than a day, you're cooked. But I will say all of y'all do need to try to, like, you know, learn how to work on cars and stuff. Like not like mechanic level, but at least basic level. At least know how to change your own oil and stuff like that. I say, like, if you're gonna get into the car game, bro, you need to at least learn how to do that. Like I said, a lot of us, we regular people, bro, like me, bro. We get into this stuff. We're working our way up. You know, we're still going through the workforce and building up and doing all that, bro. So you shouldn't be trying to just go to the shop all the time, if that makes sense. You should be trying to learn how to do certain things with your own. Learn how to change the tire, all that good kind of stuff. I know how to do all that. I know how to do basic level stuff. Basic level modification, I can do that. I can do the cold air intake myself. That's not that hard. Stuff like that I can do. But you talking about stuff when I gotta mess with the engine, the transmission, I don't know how to do that. And I'm not finna learn, because I mean that's too much work. But y'all should at least know how to do some basic things, bro. So, you know, if y'all got challenges with charging and stuff, let me know what mods y'all got so far, bro. Let me know what else y'all want to see on this channel. I got a homie with a Tesla, bro. I got homies for a lot of different cars, bro. I'm gonna start like telling them, hey, bro, let's do a car swap so I can do some POV videos. So let's just like talk about your cars and review your cars and all that kind of stuff. Do that with my homies and stuff like that. Or the people I see around the road and stuff, man. Like there's people that got Cybertrucks out here. I would love to ask them, bro, how's that car going, and give us a tour of the car and stuff like that. That'd be dope. Alright, so I got a lot of dope stuff planned for this channel, man. So y'all just stay tuned, bro. Y'all know how to drive manual cars, bro? Hey, y'all ever try to drive a manual car? Let me know down below. I never drove a manual. I never did that a day in my life. Hold on. There we go. I was trying to see what this car is doing. One thing too, bro, y'all driving, bro. People drive so freaking retarded, bro. Like, you gotta be on your P's and Q's out here on the road, bro. It's stupid, bro. People just drive so insane, bro. Like, like this dude right here behind me on my ass, bro. Like, what's wrong with you, bro? You're not the police. Why are you on my ass? Like, get over then. If you want to get over, get the fuck over. There you go, get over, bro. Like, shit. I'm going fast as fuck around this bitch. I'm not driving slow. Bro, this should be funny, bro, how people be doing, bro. They be all, no, this Alabama driving. Like, every city has their thing with driving. I'm in Alabama. Alabama driving is garbage. I guarantee you Atlanta's way worse. Atlanta shit is, woo, that traffic's bad, bro. But Alabama is bad, but at the same time, well, honestly, I feel like Atlanta traffic is better than Alabama traffic. You might say Alabama traffic is, you know, you'll think Alabama's better, but no, bro. Because the thing is, at least Atlanta got kind of smarter drivers. Our drivers just do dumb shit, bro. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, boy, they'll do some shit that make you want to just get out the car and fight or just shoot their tires. My thing, I say, I'm gonna just start shooting people's tires. I'm just talking, bro. I'm not gonna do nothing like that, bro. That's how you go to jail. Shoot somebody's tire, man, you going straight to jail. But nah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the late night POV, man. We're gonna do some more of these. Let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see like more late nights, more daytime. Want me to do story times while I'm doing this? You know, whatever y'all want me to talk about, let me know, bro. I'll definitely do that for sure. But listen, I appreciate y'all coming through to the video. Hope y'all enjoyed and everything. Sheeski out. Y'all be safe. Have a very blessed day. Peace out.